The electric car world just got obliterated with the $10,595 Tesla Model 2, a game share that's finally hitting the market. Elon Musk dropped jaws saying that, and I'm confident that will be available in many cities in the US by the end of this year, and calling that it's actually not just a revolution in vehicle design, but a revolution in vehicle manufacturing. But hold on, he just revealed a part. We just uncovered jaw-dropping secrets about the Tesla Model 2 that'll leave you speechless. And is all here in today's video. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how Tesla engineers an electric car with Lamborghini-level performance, but yet much cheaper. And the pack dual motors for supercar thrills without breaking your budget. Do you want to stay ahead of the electric revolution? Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a spark. 1. How did Tesla make an electric car in the body form of a Lamborghini, yet at 1/10 the cost? Have you ever dreamed of owning a car that turns heads like a Lamborghini, but won't empty your retirement fund? Tesla's Model 2 does just that at a jaw-dropping $10,595. Here's what Elon Musk doesn't want legacy automakers to discover. Tesla's Model 2 uses a manufacturing secret so revolutionary that it makes traditional car production look like horse-drawn carriages in the age of rockets. The first breakthrough lies in Tesla's radical approach to body construction. While Lamborghini charges customers $200,000 for their iconic, low-slung, aggressive design, Tesla drew inspiration from those same aerodynamic lines, but completely reinvented how they're built. Traditional luxury cars rely on over 3,000 individual components that must be precisely welded, fitted, and assembled. Tesla's Model 2 shatters this outdated approach by using just 847 precision-molded parts through innovative unibody construction with high-strength steel and aluminum alloys. In comparison, a traditional luxury car body costs manufacturers $47,000 in materials and labor alone. In contrast, Tesla's Aerodynamic Model 2 body just costs $3,200 in materials and labor. That's a staggering 93.2% reduction in manufacturing complexity. And these savings get passed directly to you, the consumer. But here's where it gets truly revolutionary. Tesla's engineers developed what they call origami engineering, which is a folding metal technique that creates those stunning Lamborghini curves using 67% less material than conventional methods. This single innovation saves $43,800 per vehicle compared to conventional luxury car construction. When you see a Model 2 on the road, you're looking at the same visual impact as a $250,000 supercar built with space-age efficiency. Tesla learned from Lamborghini's looks. They actually improved the science behind them. Tesla Model 2 achieves a drag coefficient of 0.19, which puts most supercars to shame. For comparison, high-end supercars typically struggle to achieve anything better than 0.28 to 0.35. This isn't just an engineering flex. It's a financial game share for owners. The physics breakthrough came through mathematical modeling that required 2.3 million computer simulations. Tesla's supercomputers worked around the clock to create Lamborghini-level downforce using principles that took the automotive world completely by surprise. In practical terms, this aerodynamic efficiency adds $69 of range to every charge, which is equivalent to $9,000 worth of additional battery capacity that you get absolutely free. Industry insiders report that BMW and Mercedes engineers are desperately trying to reverse engineer these design principles. When your competitors are scrambling to copy your homework, you know you've achieved something extraordinary. The third pillar of Tesla's cost revolution involves materials that sound like science fiction but are rolling off production lines today. Instead of expensive carbon fiber that costs $223 per square foot, Tesla developed a composite material that delivers the same performance for just $11.80 per square foot. This material is 127% stronger than steel and 45% lighter than aluminum. But here's the hidden advantage that even $300,000 hypercars don't offer. This material actually self-heals minor scratches. That's right. Your $10,595 Tesla has self-healing paint technology that you'd normally only find in vehicles costing 30 times more. Tesla's Texas facility can produce enough of this revolutionary material for $2.40 for 1 million vehicles annually, creating economies of scale that traditional manufacturers can only dream about. The final piece of this cost revolution happens on the factory floor. While traditional luxury cars require 23 separate body panels to be individually crafted and welded together, Tesla molds entire body sections as single pieces. The assembly time, just 12 minutes total versus 847 minutes for conventional luxury vehicles. Tesla's quality control achieves a 99.7% precision rate compared to the industry standard of 67.3%. The shocking reality is that Tesla's robots can build an entire Model 2 body faster than most traditional factories can paint a single car door. This isn't just efficiency. It's a complete reimagining of what car manufacturing can be. Imagine pulling into your local grocery store parking lot in what looks like a supercar, feeling the admiring glances, hearing the whispered conversations. Is that the new Tesla? But here's what Elon Musk didn't tell us. While everyone assumes you've spent a fortune, you know you've actually made the smartest financial decision of your life. This isn't just about owning a stunning vehicle. It's about proving that at your age, you're still ahead of the curve, still making moves that younger generations wish they had the wisdom to make. But if you could choose between these two scenarios, which would you pick? Option 1. Own a car that looks exactly like a Lamborghini, but everyone knows you paid supercar prices. Or Option 2. Own a car that gets the same reactions, but you paid less than most people spend on a basic sedan. Drop a 1 or a 2 in the comments right now. I'm genuinely curious to see how our community thinks about this trade-off. But wait, what if this design hides performance tricks that make it faster than you think? The aerodynamics we just discussed are only half the story. Keep watching, because what Tesla packed under this Lamborghini-inspired body will completely change your understanding of what $10,595 can buy you in 2025.2. How does Tesla Model 2 pack dual motors for supercar thrills without breaking the bank? Are you wondering if your next Tesla Model 2 will have single or dual motors? Tesla just accomplished something that automotive engineers said was financially impossible. They fit dual motors. That delivers supercar performance into a $10,595 vehicle.